Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Jamaican seafood soup, step by step. First, you'll want to gather your fresh ingredients. Select about 1 pound of mixed seafood, like snapper fillets, shrimp, and crab. Next, prepare your root vegetables, such as 1 medium yam, 2 small potatoes, and 1 large carrot, diced into 1-inch pieces. Don't forget your key seasonings: fresh thyme, a whole Scotch bonnet pepper, and a few pimento berries for that authentic taste. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your seafood with fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt, then set it aside. Next, dice your root vegetables and any other hard vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces to ensure they cook evenly. In a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté your aromatics. Think 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a 1/2-inch piece of grated ginger, until they become wonderfully fragrant. Once your aromatics are ready, add the diced root vegetables to the pot along with 6 cups of water or fish stock. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Finally, carefully add your seasoned seafood and continue to cook for just 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring it's perfectly tender and not overcooked. For the finishing touches, stir in 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk and carefully add a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that signature Jamaican kick. Just be careful not to break it. Let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish your delicious soup with fresh chopped scallions and a squeeze of fresh lime juice before serving. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.